Secretary of Defense James Mattis is reportedly taking many steps that would allow the United States military to extend its efforts to defeat the terror organization. Stars and Stripes reported. In northern Syria, the U.S. has expanded an airbase that will be essential when the fight to remove the Islamic State group from the city of Raqqa begins. By expanding the runway, the Air Force has ensured that more planes will be able to take off to support forces working to oust the group from the Syrian city. In February, Business Insider reported that there was a plan circulating in the Pentagon that proposed sending more ground troops into Iraq and Syria to help defeat the Islamic State group. As of early April, the Pentagon was still debating whether to send more group troops to the region. Politico noted that Mattis has encouraged Congress to pass an authorization for use of military force to fight the terror organization. Mattis has more or less stayed out of the spotlight over the past few months, which is a very good sign. This shows that Mattis is more concerned about reforming the Pentagon and crafting a plan to defeat the Islamic State group than he is with getting his name on the front page. On the campaign trail, President Donald Trump vowed that he would do whatever was necessary to defeat and destroy the Islamic State terror group, and so far he has kept that promise. Trump did this country a great service when he selected Mattis. We have no doubt that Mattis will do what is needed to ensure that the Islamic State group is defeated once and for all. Share this on Facebook and Twitter and let us know what actions you think James Mattis should take to defeat the Islamic State group. What do you think of what Mattis has done so far? Scroll down to comment below. The Daily Caller helped contribute to this report. It's News Exposed signing off.